Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 04 to 12, Colorado and Canyon.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Cut off the factory mount by using an angle grinder or plasma cutter. Followed by grinding the frame clean, free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 3. Tack the new mount in place as the original. Lower the cab back down and re-secure the body mount bolt to ensure proper fitment and alignment. Once aligned, completely weld the part back to the frame. And you're done.